my real one. Still by me, yeah, you never switched up. Even in all the times I messed up. Yeah, you were one in a million. And then my
What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a tutorial for this cute 90s inspired flipped hairstyle. Stay tuned. Okay, so you're going to need a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb, a lot of clips to section your hair, a brush, a 3-inch curling iron, and some Gots to Be Free spray. So I'm just starting by sectioning my hair. I like to just start at the bottom and then work my way up. It's really easy, really simple. And forgive me, my wig is just like on top of my head. It's not pinned down or glued down. So if you guys want a tutorial on that, just let me know in the comments below. But it's just literally sitting on my head. Okay, so just make sure you brush everything out, detangle everything. And now, so I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna start off slow. So you see how I'm holding the curling iron. You're gonna make the clamp face down. You go one time over to make sure it's like straight. And you want it to be as polished as possible. And then you're gonna go all the way down and you're gonna roll up. It's literally that simple. So hold it for like 3 seconds and just don't touch it. Let it cool and continue and section off the next part. It's very important that you do it like layer by layer compared to like just doing miscellaneous pieces. Once I'm done with the bottom layer, I just give a little bit of the Gots to Be Free spray, like a very little bit. A little bit goes a long way. You don't want your curls to be crunchy. So again, clamp down, once over, and then roll up. And hold for 3 seconds, and then let it cool. A little tip is clips are very important. Like, it helps you get a better handle on your hair. So if you're starting off and you just want to learn how to do your own hair, clips. Buy clips immediately and take your time. Sorry that I keep on looking to my right. It's the mirror. I'm literally looking into the camera doing my hair, which is not as easy as it sounds. And now I'm just going over my curls with a wide tooth comb. Now be gentle with your curls. You could touch them a little bit, but I would not like be too rough with them. Cherish those curls. You worked hard for them, so you don't want to be too rough on them. Just try to like position your hair the way you like it. The headband is from Akira. It's located in Chicago. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's it. That was so quick, so easy. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers too. Giveaway details should be posted. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. These are the 3 rules that you have to abide by. You have to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment below, and follow me on Instagram. I will be giving away a $50 gift card from Amazon. The giveaway ends on February 2nd. See you in the next one. Bye!